It was a staggering photo. A woman laying on the ground at her local library, stricken with COVID-19, hoping to be treated with antibodies. That photo has been seen around the world, and now the woman is talking with Megan Alexander about her ordeal.
We're hearing today from the woman in that shocking image, sprawled out on the floor of a public library that was converted into a COVID treatment clinic in hard-hit Jacksonville, Florida.
I was fighting for my life.
Toma Dean was standing in line, waiting her turn for the monoclonal antibody treatment Regeneron, when she says she simply couldn't stand any longer. First, she sat on the floor, then she laid down.
I knew that if I didn't lay there on that floor and rest, that I was not going to make it to the treatment, and that was my last chance before someone possibly put me on a ventilator.
Toma has been battling COVID for 2 weeks. She says she had just come from the ER where a doctor told her Regeneron was her best chance at beating the virus.
As you're talking right now, it's difficult for you, isn't it? What are you feeling right now?
This morning I woke up and I thought, I actually can walk more than 5 feet without screaming and telling my family I'm running out of air.
Regeneron is proving to be an effective drug against COVID. But the FDA today is warning people not to take another drug, which has been touted by some unreliable sources as a cure. The anti-parasitic drug, ivermectin, which is commonly used as a dewormer for cows and horses.
You are not a horse. You are not a cow, the FDA warned on Twitter today. Seriously, y'all, stop it. In Mississippi, 70% of the calls to the state's poison hotline are from overdoses of ivermectin. The drug has been touted by some Fox News personalities.
We know that our FDA has in many ways failed us by not allowing for the use of ivermectin and hydroxychloroquine, both of which are used around the world to reduce COVID hospitalizations and deaths.
Please don't do that. Don't go to your feed store and get ivermectin and use it. It does not help, despite what you've seen or heard on the internet.
Meanwhile, actress Hilary Duff revealed today that she has come down with a breakthrough case of COVID. Bad headache, no taste or smell, Duff wrote on Instagram. Sinus pressure, brain fog, happy to be vaxxed.
As you probably heard today, the FDA granted full approval to the Pfizer COVID vaccine for anyone 16 years and older. It is hoped that that eagerly awaited decision will ease vaccine hesitancy. More than 80 million eligible Americans remain unvaccinated.